Okay guys, today we have this scene to recreate. This is the video I uploaded on TikTok and you guys asked for the tutorial. Okay, let's jump into the tutorial. First of all, we have to make this white background. Go to new and make a new solid. Make it white. Okay, let's create this shadow. For that we have to take the shape layer and make a shape like this. Let's add fast box blur and increase blur radius and lower the opacity a little bit more like that. Okay, let's import the assets. So I have here PNGs of butterfly and flower. Duplicate the flower and scale it and move it here. Okay, to change the color of these flowers, simply drag and drop the effect tritone and change the color to this bluish. Copy the tritone and paste it to the other flower. Okay, let's add a text. Butterfly and change the font. Make it capital and bigger. Scale it. Enable the title safe action to make it to the center. Okay. Okay, let's add gradient ramp to the text layer. Okay, so our text is ready. Let's add the other text. Duplicate the text and add chasing. Change the font whatever you like. And position it here. Okay, I have added these two text layers. Just small information about butterfly like this. And let's animate. To make drop shadow of this butterfly, simply duplicate it, add fill, make it black, add fast, radial fast blur. Change the center. Okay, to remove these corners, simply add grow bounds and move it to the top. Increase the pixels like this. Lower the opacity of the shadow layer. Okay, our butterfly is ready. Now let's animate these PNGs. First of all, these two flowers, make a position keyframe. Move them to outside of the screen. Ease them out and make the graph like this. Okay, let's rotate them. Simply press R for the rotation and rotate them to 360. Okay, to remove this PNG logo, simply make a mask on the shape layer and invert it, and the same for the other layer. Okay, to move the shadow with the original butterfly layer, simply parent this to the first one and make a keyframe and scale it. Okay, let's add rotation. Press U and rotate it. Press F9 and ease the keyframes. Okay, let's add animation to the text. Go to Animate, add opacity, make it to 0. Go to range selector, offset, make it -100. First keyframe and second keyframe at 100. Go to advanced, character to words, square to ramp up, is high -50 and is low 100. Add blur and increase it around 30. Okay, we need to change the based on to characters. Just little bit increase the blur. Okay, press U on this layer and move them here. Okay, let's add animation to the other text. Simply drag and drop the typewriter. It's built-in effect. Okay, to animate these two text layers, simply drag and drop the typewriter. Press U on these layers, move them closer, ease them. Okay, our first scene is ready. Let's add drop shadow to the lower PNG on this one. Like this. Around 3 seconds. We will trim them. Control Shift G and delete. Now let's make the second scene. This one. Let's add the PNG. Okay. Simply pick the dry tone of this PNG and paste it here. Okay. Duplicate it and add fill. Make it black. Add fast, radial fast blur. Change the center to here. And our shadow is ready. Parent this PNG to this one and Add grow bounds. Okay, let's add text. Simply duplicate the butterfly text from here. Control D. Add flowers. Scale the text layer. Let's add the other text. Control D and change the font. Okay, let's add cloud icons. Control D and scale. To animate this flower, simply press R, rotation and E, position. Press U towards the keyframes. And around here, let's move them a little bit lower and rotation like this. Press F9 or simply ease the keyframe. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's add this shape layer. To make this shape, simply go to shapes and select star tool. Go to polystar 1, polystar path and make 6 points. Inner radius at 70 and outer radius 100 and scale it. Our shape is ready. Change the color of this shape to this one maybe. Okay. Center the anchor point and add rotation keyframe to this shape. Okay. Just scale it a little bit smaller. Okay. Shape is ready. Now let's make the third scene. Actually, we need to animate these PNGs. Press P position on both and move them one by one. Around 6 seconds, we will trim these layers and delete them. Let's jump into the third scene. Duplicate the text, flowers, and move it above all the layers to make the third scene. Change the text. Let's add third PNG, this one, and rotate it like this. Let's add other text. Change the font and adjust the position of these text layers. Okay, let's change the color. Duplicate it and move it here. Okay, let's add this circle. Simply make a circle, press shift and make it like this. Center the anchor point, close the fill and increase the stroke. Go to stroke and add dashes. Okay, let's change the color of this. Maybe this. Scale it and lower the opacity. Okay, let's animate the circle. Press R, make a keyframe and rotate the circle. We need to invert the keyframes. Okay, move the shape layer behind the PNG. Okay, let's animate this icon. Okay, we need to add position and rotation keyframe. Press P for position and R for rotation. Press U to watch the keyframes. Just lower the position and make it like this. Press F9 and go to graph editor and ease them. Okay, let's animate these text. Simply drop the typewriter on this end. This, press U and make them closer. Okay, now let's join all these three scenes together and make a transition. Okay, to make the transition we need to create layer, new and null object. Okay, let's parent first scene to the null object. And make a position keyframe. Like this. Press F9. Okay. From here our second scene will start. Just simply make them like this. Okay. Move them on our first keyframe where our transition starts. And parent these all layers to the null. Actually we need to parent this shadow layer to the top layer of flower. This one is a shadow layer and parent it to this. Okay. Around here. Okay, around here. Add a new keyframe and move the null upward. Like this. So at this point, our third scene will start. Now let's parent the third scene layer to the null. Okay. Let's make it to the end. I think we need to change the color of this shape layer. Okay guys, I think our video is ready. To get the project file, simply drop a comment and I will share it with you.